Yeah, I don't wanna fall asleep, I don't wanna pass away.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and I want to show you guys what my mornings as a quarantined amateur stock market trader looks like. I typically try my best to wake up at 6 in the morning, and the first thing I do is make my bed, because otherwise I'm probably just going to end up on bed again and spend potentially the next few hours on the bed doing nothing but surfing on social media, and that totally disrupts the point of this video. And then I proceed to do some basic stuff like brushing my hair, washing my face, brushing my teeth, and sometimes using a hair serum if my hair feels extra frizzy that morning. I make sure I drink lots of water in the morning, because through the day I keep forgetting, and oftentimes I end up not giving my body the amount of hydration it actually needs. So, about a month ago, I began meditating almost every day, and I do it for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you've traded in the markets before, you know that when you're trading, a lot of emotions are involved, because you are betting with money, and any trade that you take is potentially a huge risk to your account, which is why it's very important to be more focused and mindful when you're trading. And I've realized that meditating has helped a lot to build this mental strength. After meditation, I journal, like just write anything that has been bothering me, anything that is stuck in my mind. Writing these things down is the easiest way of letting it go, and clearing up mental space, so that I can, completely put my mind into the market and not be swayed by anything else, not be distracted by something that happened in the past or stuff like that. What you're seeing here is the laziest form of exercise possible. It's a 10-minute stretch routine that one can do on bed. And on that particular day, I was feeling very lazy, of course. So there was no intense exercise. On that particular day, my body was in pain, and I was just stretching it out to relieve the tension. So once my exercise is done, I make a cup of coffee and just relax, talk to family, maybe read a book or something, or just stare outside the window. Nothing much, just a little time in the morning for myself. I'm preparing for the markets. I typically trade from my room, so I'm just rearranging the tables and chairs, turning on my laptop, making sure it's charged, signing into my trading account, and also opening up charts to look for potential trades, checking the highs and lows of the stock price the previous day, and basically trying to get myself into the zone of trading. After that, I go to bath. I know I'm very late, but I needed to take a bath because otherwise I spend so much time in the market. So by the time I actually take a shower, it's almost afternoon, and I'm not really happy about it because the summers are pretty harsh and I'm sweating by the time it's late afternoon. After I've taken a shower and the markets have opened, everything's going pretty well, smooth, until I've realized that I'm hungry and haven't eaten anything yet. I quickly run to the kitchen to grab some food and indulge in my breakfast. So that's basically how I spend the rest of my morning, and around afternoon I decide it's time to shut down the laptop and get something to eat because I'm hungry, and do absolutely nothing for the rest of the day, or decide to make a video about my morning. I've always been pretty interested in the stock market, but never found the time to actually actively trade because college always seems to get into the way. So this entire situation has given me the extra time to understand the markets a little better and, actively trade. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.